welcome back to my channel. Reese, come here, sit with mommy so you can be in the camera. Let's ignore the crazy lashes today. They're eyelure. I forget exactly which ones, but I feel really weird wearing them. But of course I didn't know this is how they would look on me yet until I put them on. We're doing an unboxing video today with BoxyCharm, and this time I actually waited to open my box. I just got it today, so I'm really excited. This sweater, oh shoot, always something, always. This sweater is from Southern Alternative, just in case anybody was wondering. It's my favorite online boutique. And if you look at their Instagram, they just have so many cute clothes. So this is the February box. Ooh, I'm so excited. Wait. Okay, can you sit? Can you sit down? Sit with me, please. This is the Getaway Eye and Face Palette from Wander Beauty, which I've not heard of yet. $36. This is the palette, and this is how it looks. It has a highlighter, it has some eyeshadows, and a blush. Mommy. That's really cute. Baby. That's not yours, honey. It's not the baby's. Baby. Next, we have, oh my god, wait, what is this? I have to see. Oh! Yes! I thought this was hair color at first, and I was like, dang it, I don't have blonde hair anymore. This is the Frank Body caffeinated scalp scrub. Get down, you're gonna get hurt. No, get down, you're gonna break that. Do you wanna watch Baby on my phone? Lordy, you guys. It's so hard to try to film these. So I'm excited because I love Frank Body. This is a pre-wash. It improves scalp health. It removes product buildup. It's $18.95 for this. But I'm excited to try this because I've tried their skincare products before and I love them. It's natural and cruelty free. It doesn't really smell like anything, which is fine with me. But my scalp, I get dandruff, so that'll really be good for me. Next is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. This is 29 bucks. Ooh, that smells good. It's not too overpowering. Reese has something. Let me see what that is. This is NCLA Vitamin E infused cuticle oil. This is cute. This is $18. It has like little hearts in there. Ooh, that smells good. It's oh no. Honestly, it is so annoying trying to film with Reese in here. She's constantly moving my camera around. It's just frustrating. Anyway, last but not least, I have this Cocoa Gold Mist by the Beauty Crop. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is $14.99. It's a hydrating fine mist, helps set and refresh your makeup, and it includes a delicate amount of gold pearlescent shimmer that improves or imparts a radiant glow while boosting hydration. Yay, I'm so excited to try this. And then also I wanted to say that the Frank Body Scalp Scrub has coffee and rosemary in it also. If I didn't have a BoxyCharm, I wouldn't even think to try these specific products. So yay, I'm excited. I will make a video for next month's box when I get that one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.